Coming from the SEC channel itself here on X, just because others might buy a particular investment doesn't mean it's the right opportunity for you. FOMO, fear of missing out, as we do have the possibility of a spot Bitcoin ETF being approved today, maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. The FOMO is still very much real till the actual approval comes out, guys. Buy the rumor, sell the news. We still haven't got confirmation. What we can see here on the chart here on Coinbase is that we did break out from the lower high resistance of this bump and run scenario and flipped it as support just early this morning, getting this rally of over $2,000. We're going to go through my trade setup here. I'm going to explain where I'm taking all of the profits from this long trade setup, which should be all the way up here to the highs of $46,000. Of course, today we're going through the major resistance levels. We're just hitting that level of resistance. Now, if we do break through here with some volume, we are likely to flip it as support and create some new highs for Bitcoin. So make sure to stay tuned in this episode. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Let's dive in right now because we are breaking through some major resistance. Let's see if I can get this video update right away in the next coming minutes, because we are kind of breaking through here the major levels of resistance. Just going to go here quickly through my trading setup, and the whole plan about this bump and run is taking profits at the highs, which is above $46,000. Currently did take significant amount of profits. The rest of them are to be taken here at the highs. Remember, if you do want to trade on Bybit, this is my favorite #1 crypto trading platform. You got that insane bonus of $30,000. And now with our link, you get 20% fee cut, guys. You have the link down below in the description for Bybit, guys. This is where I'm doing my trading. Let's see if we do get that leg up to $46,000. Now, I'm going to explain if we were to get a rejection from this point, not getting volume kicking in, then obviously I would consider taking more of those profits. Now, analyzing this situation, guys, for me, it's pretty simple. We've been talking about the bump and run scenario here for the last few days, finally happening. Now, if we do take a look at another exchange, it actually did break out already during Sunday, yesterday, and flipped it as support, that lower high resistance. And you can see the bump and run here. The target zone is those highs. So that rally so far is looking pretty good on the price of Bitcoin. But there is only one issue, of course, the volume. The volume is not extremely high. There is some volume kicking in, no doubt. However, I want to see more volume on the breakout of this major resistance that we're hitting right now. What resistance, you may ask me? It's that daily level, that proven level of support here, as you can see from the 2nd, 3rd of January. There was resistance on Friday here on the 5th of January, just hitting that level, getting that major rejection. Now we are currently facing that level. So we do have the daily level. We do have that level of support and resistance. It is extremely important that we do actually not fail in breaking above this high, because this could be a failed auction, a swing failure pattern that could happen here in the next coming hours, and getting a really bad rejection here during the rest of the day. However, we are just hitting that level. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, we had a very large range during the last 4 days here, in between Friday all the way here till today, Monday. So really nice range, currently breaking out pretty nicely. This rejection that is currently happening right now as we record, I want to see it get some support at the value area high of this entire trading range. We got value area high, point of control. We got the lower high resistance here from the bump and run. If we do maintain here a little bit of a consolidation, the price action getting choppy momentum, this is likely going to be a higher low. So we need to see that reaction if we were to get rejection here in the next coming hours, guys. Pay attention, because yes, we are creating higher lows right over here, and we would not want the price to get back inside of the value area of this trading range. We lose here the value area high, point of control. A bit of volatility is absolutely fine here. Consolidation on the lower time frames, double bottom scenario, that will possibly be a good long position. We're just going to have to see if the price is going to hold that level, because if we start breaking down, no doubt we'll be coming back to these lows and even possibly to much lower levels. Okay, super strong resistance, currently getting that rejection as we speak. It is extremely important that on the possible next attempt, if we were to hold this level, that we break through that level and flip it as support. The moment we get above this level, which is the daily and the highs currently just created in the last hour, we would want that level to flip as support, and we have high probability once that breakout happens, guys, that the move to the upside, which will be more than $1,000, will be coming all the way up here to create some new highs. Remember, we do have a yearly level. This is the yearly close of 2021 and the yearly open of 2022. Yearly level at $46,200, where we could see a major reaction on the price there and possibly be topping out for a much larger pullback, guys. Very important level here, just slightly above the highs created here on the 2nd of January. Okay, so that is an important level. It would be overall my target zone for that long position that I do have on Bybit to take the rest of the profits. Guys, remember, Bybit, #1 crypto trading platform. You got 20% discount now on the fees. A lot of people have been talking about the fees. The fees are too high. Well, right now you do have a 20% fee discount once you sign up with the link in the description, apart from that bonus. Not much more to be said here looking at the price of Bitcoin, guys. It is pretty simple. We know the level of reaction. We are getting that reaction at that level. If we were to get that pullback to the value area high of the trading range of the last few days, we want to see that level maintaining as support. Lower time frames, get a bit of choppiness, a local double bottom. That will be a clear sign that the price is going to create a higher low and then have another attempt to break out here from this daily level where we're getting this reaction here, as you can see, at $45,000. Currently struggling right there. We do have a possibility of a pullback. We need to maintain here a bit of price action, a bit of sideways action, seeing the stop of the price to finally take that informed decision to see if we are going to get that epic bounce. If we start falling here in a falling knife, then there's not much to do, guys. We're just going to have to wait for the price action to actually hit some low levels and see the reaction then, okay? Now, of course, breaking down from the low here from early this morning, which is at $43,200, will possibly mean that we are going to go to much lower levels. Could we swing failure pattern from this low? Absolutely yes. We're just going to have to be paying attention here from this range to take the next decisions. Not much more, guys. Be cautious. If we were to get a massive move down here, we could be coming all the way down to claim some lows here, or even go all the way down to the value area low of this entire trading range of December. Don't want to get too bearish here, but if we were to start falling down aggressively, guys, it will not be the moment to catch any falling knives, as we could get that pretty strong pullback. Keeping it simple, guys, in the range, this is where we are currently. We could be breaking this zone in the next coming hours. If that were to be the case, guys, then $46,000 is going to be next, and that would be a take profit zone. If you have been long in here during the last few days waiting for this bump and run breakout, the target zone is $46,000, guys. If we go to 46,700, 48,000, then brilliant. If we do get that rejection from the highs here, guys, it is the moment you want to get out from your long positions, just in case you do get a big major pullback. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we'll be doing a live stream afterwards, possibly to do some live trading, look for some scalping setups, talk about altcoins. You know the deal. You got the best live stream coming afterwards during today, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the Bybit tutorial that I do have here on the video, so you can learn how to use Bybit, the #1 crypto exchange for trading. Thank you, and I'll see you later.